Grade 5. Our lesson for today is finds the volume of a solid figures. Solves word problems involving volumes of solid figures. Volume is the measure of space a solid figure occupies. It is measured in cubic units, centimeter cube or meter cube. We have here our formulas in finding the volume of a solid figure. We have here our solid figure number 1 is cube. The formula is volume is equal to E cube. Rectangular prism, the volume is equal to length times width times height. We have the triangular prism, we have volume is equal to area of the base times height. Pyramid is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times height. We have the cylinder, pi r squared times height is the equation for the volume. We have the cone. Volume is equal to 1/3 times pi times r squared times height. And the last one is sphere is equal to 4/3 times pi times radius cube. Where V stands for volume, E stands for the edge, L stands for the length, W stands for the width, H stands for the height, B sub A stands for the area of the base, R stands for radius, and the symbol for pi with a constant value of 3 and 1400ths. Example number 1. We have a given cube. One edge of a cube measured 6 centimeters. So we have here our given. E or the edge is equal to 6 centimeters. V or volume is unknown. So solution, we have volume is equal to E cube. So volume is equal to, substitute the value of the edge which is 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeter quantity cube. So volume is equal to 216 centimeter cube. Example number 2. We have here a rectangular prism. So we have the measure of the length is 7 centimeters, the width 4 centimeters, and the height is 4 centimeters. And the volume is unknown. So we have here our solution. Volume of rectangular prism is equal to length times width times height. So we have here our volume. Substitute the value of the length, the width, and the height. So we have now volume is equal to 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters. So we have here volume 7 times 4 centimeters is equal to 28 centimeters squared times 4. So 28 times 4 is equal to 112 centimeters cube. So the volume of the given rectangular prism is 112 centimeters cube. Example number 3. So we have here a cylinder. So we have cylinder, so we have the diameter of the circular base of the cylinder is 14 centimeters. And the height of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. So we have here our given. So diameter is equal to 14 centimeters. Height is equal to 20 centimeters. And pi is equal to 3 and 1400ths. So we're going to look first for the radius and then the volume of the given cylinder. So we have here our solution. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So radius is equal to 14 centimeters divided by 2 is equal to 7 centimeters. So now finding the volume. So volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared times height. So we have the value of pi is 3 and 1400ths times the value of radius 7 centimeters quantity squared times the value of height which is 20 centimeters. So simplify first the exponential form. So we have 3 and 1400ths times 7 centimeter quantity squared is equal to 49 centimeters squared times 20 the value of height. So now we have 3 and 1400ths times 49 centimeters squared times 20 centimeters. So that is equal to 3077 and 2/10 centimeter cube. So the volume of the given cylinder is 3077 and 2/10 centimeter cube. Example number 4. So our given is a cone. So the radius we have 8 centimeters and the height is equal to 18 centimeters. So we have the pi is equal to 3 and 1400. So we are looking for the volume of the given cone. So we have here our solution. Finding the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 times pi times r squared times h, or the height. So we have here substitute our value. So 1/3 times value of the pi 3 and 1400 times the value of radius 8 centimeters quantity squared times the value of height 18 centimeters. So we have here volume is equal to 1/3 times 3 and 1400. So 8 centimeter quantity squared is equal to 64 centimeter squared times 18 centimeters. So we have 1/3 times 3 and 1400 times 64 times 18 is equal to 1152 centimeter cube. So we have 1/3 times 3 and 1400 times 1152 centimeter cube is equal to 3617 and 2800 centimeter cube times 1/3, that is equal to 1205 and 7600 centimeter cube. So the volume of the given cone is 1205 and 76 centimeters cube. Example number 5. We have a given of sphere. So the radius is equal to 24 meters. Pi is equal to 3 and 1400. Volume is unknown. So we have here our solution. Finding the volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 times pi times r cube. So we have here 4/3 times the value of pi 3 and 1400 times the value of r 24 meter quantity cube. So 4/3 times 3 and 1400, 24 meter quantity cube is equal to 13,824 meter cube times 3 and 1400. So that is equal to 43,407 and 36 meter cube times 4/3. So multiply it by 4. So we have 173,629 and 44 hundredths meter cube divided by 3, and that is equal to 57,876 and 48 hundredths meter cubes. So that is the volume of the given sphere. Example number 6. We have here a word problem. The height of a pyramid is 21 meters and one side of its base, square base is 12 meters. Find the volume of the square pyramid. So we have here our given height is equal to 21 meters. Then side of the base is equal to 12 meters. So volume is unknown. So solution, we have volume of a square pyramid is equal to 1/3 times area of the base times height. So we have here 1/3. Area of the base is equal to 12 meters quantity squared times 21 meters. So simplify first 12 meters quantity squared. So that is equal to 144 meters squared times 21. So we have 144 times 21 is equal to 3024 meters cube times 1/3. So 1 times 3024 is equal to 3024 meters cube divided by 3. So 3024 meters cube divided by 3, that is equal to 1008 meters cube. So the answer is the volume of the square pyramid is 1008 meters cube. That's all for today, class. Until next time, goodbye.